Don't settle for a relationship na ang daming accounts, ang daming mga tao ang ino-oohan at binibigyan ng time at ini-entertain. We do not settle for those people. Dapat naghahanap tayo ng tao na bibigyan tayo ng kapanatagan kasi tayo lang talaga yung nag-iisa. And it reflects hindi lang sa salita, kundi sa gawa.
The kindest people are the ones who hurt the most, yet they still want to be the reason someone smiles. Because they know how it feels like being unappreciated, being unvalued. They don't want anyone else to feel the same pain. Because they know how it hurts. They know how exhausting it is. They know the feeling of being left behind. You know, those people who have been through the most sadness, they are the ones who always try their hardest to make everyone's happy because they know how it feels like being empty and they don't want anyone else to feel that way. They are the ones who crack jokes even when their own heart is heavy, who check on others even when no one checks on them, who give love even when they rarely receive it back. They carry so much pain inside but still choose to bring light to the people around them. They understand the tears that fall at night. They understand what it feels like to be forgotten. And that is why they try so hard to make sure no one else feels the same. You know those people who give too much for too long, once they finally go quiet, it doesn't mean they are running away. The truth is they are not leaving connection. They are just coming back to themselves. At some point, you get tired not because you stopped caring, but because you've been empty for a while. You were always there, always giving, always understanding, even when no one was doing the same thing for you. So you choose silence not out of anger, not to push people away, but because you need space where no one is taking anything from you. And that's when you realize that being alone doesn't mean losing people. Because sometimes choosing yourself is the only way to finally feel whole again.
Pinili kong maubos para mapuno ka. Alam mo, sa lahat ng naging desisyon ko sa buhay, ikaw yung hindi ko pinag-isipan. Kasi minahal kita ng buo, minahal kita agad-agad. I wanted to make you feel na kahit sino ka man, kahit anong bit-bit mo, I'd carry it all with you. I gave, and gave. To the point na hindi ko na minsan alam kung may natitira pa sa akin. But I didn't mind. Kasi ang mahalaga sa akin, yung masaya ka, ang mahalaga sa akin, ikaw. Grabe yung message na yun, no? It's giving. Handa akong maubos, basta ikaw yan. Handa akong maubos, basta kung para sa'yo. Na okay lang kahit walang matira sa'yo, basta mapuno mo lang siya. Alam nyo ba na medyo toxic yung ganitong kind of love? Kasi bigay ka ng bigay, tapos nakakalimutan mo na yung sarili mo. Sabi nga nila, you cannot give what you don't have. Hindi mo pwede ibigay yung mga bagay na wala ka naman in the first place. Hindi mo pwedeng ibigay yung mga bagay na hindi mo rin kayang ibigay sa sarili mo. A person you want to be in your life should add value to your life. At hindi para dagdagan lang yung problema mo, hilahin ka pababa, at mas pabigatin pa yung mga hawak mo. Kaya hindi pwedeng maubos ka. Kasi paano na lang kung wala ka?
Attachment is not a joke, to be honest with you. Because if you attach yourself to somebody and you end up losing them, it can mentally destroy you. Literally, you will feel physical pain whenever you miss that person. And I felt that. You have to let go. Because when you hold on, when you keep something alive inside you, you are allowing for your past to take up the space in your heart and in your mind that is meant for your future. You have to let go. Because at the end of the day, if you are going to find the human being who is going to bring you the deepest kind of joy, if you are going to find the person who is going to help you experience the kind of love you always wanted, you have to make sure that you are ready for it. You have to make sure that you will be open to it, and you cannot make a home within your heart for the person who will someday care for you in the softest ways if someone else's memory is still living there. You have to let go. You have to accept that sometimes beautiful things end, that sometimes people leave, that sometimes two human beings don't beat the odds, and you have to find closure in that. You have to heal. You have to move forward. You have to believe in the version of you that is laughing in bed on Sunday morning with the person you love 20 years from now. Because you deserve that future, and it is waiting for you to choose it. Just let go.
As you get older, your priorities shift. You stop chasing noise. You crave peace. And more than anything, you want to be surrounded by good people. People who are kind to you, who bring calm, not chaos, who speak life into your soul. That's the kind of rich that matters.